highlighting that. But let's move on now to the commodity space, because that wasn't bereft of drama and big action. Manisha is here with a wrap.
Well, thank you so much for that. 2024 indeed was a year of record highs in gold and silver. While the gold prices hit all-time highs in dollar, Japanese yen, Indian rupee, Chinese yuan, Australian dollar and various other currencies, well, silver prices hit an important psychological 1 lakh rupees a kg mark for the Indian markets as well. But as you can see, while gold is putting best 2024 as a performance since 2010, the gold and silver prices gave better returns due to rupee depreciation in the Indian markets than what they did in the US terms. There you can see that difference there. And since we are talking gainers first, well, the US natural gas prices within the energy basket has seen prices gain up by 65% for 2024, trading at the highest since December 2022 on the back of strong global demand, geopolitics and expectations of higher LNG export permits as promised by the US President-elect Trump. Well, the rest of the energy pack, as you can see, has seen a bit of a decline continuing. The Brent is down by nearly 4.5%, while the WTI crude prices also are down nearly 3% there. This is happening on the back of weak Chinese demand. But staying on yet again with the gainers, let's talk about coffee, cocoa, and these prices also hit record highs in 2024. While the Arabica coffee hit record highs at $3.5 a pound, gaining around 70% in this year, you also have seen the highest levels of 1977 come in for this one. Robusta, as you can see, is up 90% in 2024, and cocoa prices hit all-time highs, gaining 160% in this current year. In 2024, the base metal prices also started the year as the weakest commodity asset. But it was by the mid-May that you saw the prices as best performing in sense of an asset class, as funds invested in metals that were going to be used in AI and green transition. But by the month of July, the global manufacturing was declining and China economic data wasn't improving either, taking the metals sharply off its 2024 highs. But closing in green, especially with zinc performing with 15% of gains. And you also have seen copper and aluminum gain anywhere between 5 to 7% onto this one. Well, 2025 is expected to test us further, especially as the new US administration under Donald Trump takes over on 20th of January. And then you would see details on trades and tariffs and pledges. It will all start to becoming more clear, as would the retaliation from reactions from other countries. The other thing that the street will watch out for is the China stimulus measures, which are expected to show result in 2025. And the global central bank policies will also shape up 2025, as would the currency moves. And then the policies on climate change, geopolitical concerns is something that 2025 will watch out for.
Thank you, Manisha, for that. Gurmeet Chadha, managing partner.